Hello, friends. Welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. In today's video, we will have a look at the weekly progress reports and its format. Number of weekly reports depends upon the duration of your internship period. Suppose if you're doing for 1 month, then 4 to 5 weekly progress reports are more than enough. First, start with your name, roll number, course, your batch, semester, and the topic. And then you're supposed to mention the time period, that is 1 week's time. And then you're supposed to give a small introduction about your topic on which you're doing the internship. Your weekly progress report should be of only 1 page, not more than that. The same format is followed in the further weekly progress reports. This is the second weekly report. The only thing that changes is the time period, that is the next week's duration, and the topic. You are supposed to mention only a little bit about the topic, not in detail. Same goes for the third weekly progress report. You can also mention the procedure for doing any experiment. Also, these weekly progress reports are supposed to be mailed to your internal faculty guide and then are supposed to be attached at the back of your report. Now, this weekly progress reports has at least 7 weekly progress reports because this was during my master's. So this is basically a dissertation. Now you can see the format remains the same, only the time period and whatever you do in every week that changes. You are basically supposed to share your experience, what you have learned in the entire week. Now you see till 6th March 2019, that is from January it was started, that is 28th January. So this is a dissertation basically. It contains 6 to 7 WPRs. Weekly progress reports are basically there to have your experience. So basically you can write in the very first week of internship, I was just given the responsibility of researching about the topic, and then you can proceed slowly by mentioning all the things that you have learned in every week. WPRs are very small, they are just a small brief about whatever you have learned. So keep it short and to the basic so that you don't get confused. Mention all the things that you are learning in the week and then mail it to your faculty guide and then attest it at the end of your report. I have made more such videos on dissertation and your NTCC Viva questions. If you have any other doubt, then do comment and let me know. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.